Hi everyone, welcome back to Yoga with RAMONI. Let's get started by straightening our right leg out to the side. You're going to keep that right foot flexed, and we lift up and over with our left arm coming into our side body stretch. And now we fold over that right leg. So just lower that left hand down and start to walk your hands forward a little bit more. Let's rise back up and switch legs. So now we're just going to bend our right leg and we're going to straighten our left leg out to the side. And you come into that side body stretch. Fold over that left leg. Let's rise back up, straightening both legs out to the side now in our straddle position. You can shake your legs out and then slowly walk your hands forward. Don't pressure yourself to go all the way down. We are still warming up here, so really be gentle with yourself. You can rock slowly from side to side, just adding in a little bit of movement. Do what feels comfortable for you. Let's make our way back up as we close our legs to the front of our yoga mat. Shake the legs out a little bit as you reach all the way up and forward fold. Relax your head, your neck, and your shoulders. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Exhale, go a little bit deeper. We come back up now, bending both of our knees. And now you're just going to place your left ankle on top of your right knee. So this is going to stretch your outer left hip. And you can take some head circles, or you can just be still here. Switch sides. Come into a cross-legged position. And forward fold. We come onto our hands and knees for our tabletop position. Open your knees really wide as you send your hips to the right and back and to the left and forward. So we just took a big circle. Let's do that one more time. Big circle. And now you switch directions. Come back to your neutral tabletop as you step your right foot forward on the outside of your right hand, coming into your runner's lunge. Your front knee is stacked on top of your front ankle, and you want to make sure you sink deep into those hips. Straighten your front leg, sending your hips back for half splits. Your front foot is flexed. Rebend your front knee for your runner's lunge. And one more time, half splits. Come back into your tabletop position as you step your left foot forward this time, coming into your runner's lunge. Half splits. One more time, come into your runner's lunge. And half splits. We come back into our tabletop position, sending our hips up and back for downward facing dog. Let's keep our legs as straight as possible for a hamstring stretch as you walk your feet in a little bit more, trying to press your heels down towards your mat. And now we step all the way to the top of our mat. You open your legs, grab behind your legs, and try to pull yourself through your legs. Release your hands down on the mat as you bend your left knee. Keep that right leg straight. And now bend your right knee, keeping that left leg straight. Again, bend your left knee. And now bend your right knee. Turn your toes out, sinking deep into your malasana, your yogi squat. Let's keep our hands planted on our mat as we use our arms to press the legs out a little bit wider. Have a seat with your legs straight out in front of you again. Reach all the way up and forward fold. And I'm sure this forward fold feels a lot looser than when we first started. We slowly rise back up, coming into a cross-legged position to end out our practice. Sweep your arms overhead, touching at the top, and hands come to heart center as you take a deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. I hope that you really enjoyed class. Everything that you need is on the screen and in the description box below, including classes that I teach outside of YouTube. Make sure you like this video, subscribe for more classes, and I'll see you in the next one.